Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can create an image gallery for your page on your website. You create and edit on Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the site project through the Webflow designer, website designer of course, and then navigate to the given page for your site. Here on the left hand side, select pages, click into the given page. I will go with this one here. So what you want to do, guys, there are two ways how you can create these image galleries. Option number one would be to insert images and to position them manually on, for example, inside a section or here on your page. So if you'd like to do this, click into Add Elements in the top left or use the shortcut A. Search for the element image, for instance, or scroll down and you will find the image placeholder here. Position it. For example, there you may for example, double click into it, or here in the image settings, click into choose image to upload the image and to add it to your placeholder, or replace the placeholder. As you can see, you may also move the placeholder to a different section like this one here, and that's how it works. However, guys, in this case, you would need to, for instance, if you want to make a grid view with these images, you would need to place each placeholder for the image one by one into the section or location on your page. And if you'd like to, if you don't like that idea, guys, you can also use a gallery layout and customize that, and after that insert and upload the given image. So let me undo this and remove that placeholder here and show you how it's done. So what you want to do is, again, click into that plus button in the top left, switch from elements to layouts, and here click into the gallery, and then scroll down and you will see, for example, logos gallery, and here, for example, the gallery slider overview, scroll, and so on and so forth. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the preview. So let me go with this one. Hold it with your left mouse. Position it on your, for example, in that section here. You will see also here in the navigator on the left hand side the position of the added layout item or body. For example, that gallery has been added to the section here. So as you can see, guys, that's the default gallery with the grid view. Now, to insert an image, guys, click into it, and here in the gallery settings, gallery image settings for the given image, click into settings, click into choose image and upload the image from your device. You may also customize the width and height for each placeholder. You may customize the alt text. Then, guys, what you want to do is, if you click into your gallery, you will see that button here, edit grid. Click into it, and that is going to add to allow you to, for example, to add more of these placeholders here, for instance, or a grid area. And you may also, for instance, resize the columns here, the rows, and so on and so forth. So once it's done, once you're done editing your grid, click into done here, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.